Hello innovators, welcome to WhatsApp TV. In WhatsApp TV, I bring you all the latest updates about what's happening in KPIT Sparkle event. And in today's edition, I have some really exciting news about the free software license which you will be getting, the participant will be getting, the Premier Round 1 and 2, and the KPIT Sparkle Club. We have completed the Premier Round 1 and we have sent out emails to all the participants who have qualified for the next round. So congratulations to all the people who have made it to the next round. Second exciting news is that we are going to have Premier Round 2, and students who have qualified for the Premier Round 2, we have sent them all the email communications. So the students who have completed the Premier Round, do not get confused with this Premier Round 2. This is not for you. Your round is done. This is for the new set of students who were not able to come in the Premier Round 1. So both the Premier Rounds are the same rounds, but they're happening at a different time. The next exciting big news is that in association with our knowledge partners, MathWorks, we are giving away software licenses to top 100 teams. So this software, they can use it to virtual prototype and take their prototype to the next level. The last important news is that we have started KPIT Sparkle Club across India. And if you want to start a KPIT Sparkle Club in your college, please write to us on this email ID and tell us that you want to start a club, and we will help you with all the details which are required. So that's all the updates for WhatsApp TV for this edition. I'll see you in the next edition with a lot more updates. Till then, stay tuned.